So you might be wondering, why does this sometimes happen when interacting with objects? Well, it's because JavaScript is converting both of these to strings, right? And when you do that, you return this strange object-to-object text. It's doing that for both, right? And this adding sign, it's concatenation, it's not actual addition. So it's just combining two strings, right? So the reason why this text is returned is, I mean, that's just how JavaScript handles converting objects to strings, right? But you can't actually fix this. So what you can do is access the object class and then the toString method, and you just manually set it. Return JSON stringify this. So now, when we try, it works perfectly fine. And let's try it out with some properties. Still works. And basically what this is doing is it's just taking the object, stringifying it, and then returning it. And it's just replacing the original toString class. Now, if you wanted to actually combine the two objects, like this is a property here, all you'd have to do is function add objects. Final object. Final object. So we just take in as many objects as the user provides. We have this object placeholder here. We return it, and then simply we loop over every argument. And we just add that property and that value to the final object. Let's try it out. Oh. Prop. And there you go. Let's combine these, and let's have an argument keep as object. Oh. Never mind, I guess. Never mind. Hold on. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do is if there's zero, this, and then otherwise. So then, let's try it. Objects. That's actually not going to work because you're not actually passing anything to the string class. Or the object class, or toString method. Yeah, that's why toString kind of messes up the objects and how to fix it. So sub if you want, like if you want.